Suppose if you are using the smartwatch that is Boltt Ninja 3, you can see that the settings and language, everything is in English language. And suppose if you want to change or if you want to use your smartwatch in Hindi language, that is for changing from English to Hindi, you can do a tip that for doing this. First go to your smartphone and you can download an app called this one DFit. You can download this application DFit, and after that you can connect your smartwatch to your smartphone device. Must turn on your Bluetooth. Must turn on your location also. So you can see that our device named Ninja 3 come here. Must click this one. So you can see that our smartwatch is connected to this smartphone. Okay, the next step is that you can see that now we are using this in English language. Suppose if you want to change this to Hindi, you can see that at the bottom, that is you can see in this app, DFit app, you can see the option this. You must click this one this, and if you click the this, then it will ask the language option, and currently you can see that language is in English. And suppose if you change it to Hindi, that is you must click here the Hindi, and after that you must click the done button here. So now if you take your smartwatch and you can see that the language in your Boltt Ninja 3 changed to Hindi. That is, you can now use your smartwatch in Hindi language by doing like this. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.